One last thing I want to show you on here is that SQL connector. A huge power engine of this tool is its ability to connect to SQL. Again, for our tool, since OpsTrakker does have a SQL backend, it makes it much easier to connect there, as well as the fact of other relational databases, things that you may have, such as a CMMS system, right? As you may have for a parts ordering system, as you may have for a light touch ERP. Any of those systems that have that relational database through SQL now become data sources for what you can connect to without paying anything extra. And the hookup of them, pretty easy. I'll show you the configuration for what I'm using for eDataSheet, and in all intents and purposes, it says who you connecting to, where do you want to save those data points, where's that permission, and how often do you want me to go find that data? And in doing so, I now can visualize, I can calculate, I can trigger events off things that before were sitting alone on a piece of paper that I hoped somebody was going to do something with, but I hoped. And now with Axiom being my visualization and workflow, the eForms being my workflow, I ensure that something changes here and gets you moving and doesn't just say, hey, something's wrong, but hey, something's wrong, and here's how you can fix it. And I want to